After working on the van for a couple of months, we've decided to book a little 2-day breakaway in the Lake District. I was just prepping the van and I had something in my hand. This door was here, and I was just loading up the van. The breeze or light wind caught the door. I just twisted it around to here and it just stopped on this doorstop, probably about like that.
But there is a gap.
So it wasn't with any force at all.
Also, it
And
didn't.
then this entire window just absolutely shattered. And so the window just exploded on us, and the glass hit the back fence over there, as well as hitting this wall here as well. That we had glass on the pavement over here. That I was absolutely gobsmacked. We've tried calling van-pimps and they said that they've never heard of anything like this happening before, so I don't know why we're so unlucky, why it happened just as we're packing to go away as well. Absolutely beautiful day as well today, which is even more annoying. If anyone knows why this would happen, or if it's happened to them, can they leave a comment? Because I've never come across it, so why this would happen or how it could happen.
We're worried as well.
And I'm worried of fitting another window, because we've obviously got the big hole in the back now, so we can't just leave it. We've bought another window from the same people off of van-pimps to fit again, and is it going to happen again? Because
It didn't really, when you open it, it didn't really
make any contact with anything.
any contact with this van.
No, the window can't make contact with anything.
It didn't make a contact with this side. So why would it just?
Yeah.
If you look,
So
if you look at the top, you see, it was exactly.
no, it's exactly perfect.
Exactly
it's fitted
perfect.
perfectly,
It
and it's just
doesn't
exploded
make
on
sense.
us. It doesn't make sense
Doesn't
at all.
make sense. If it happened to that one, then we can say that it's millimeter move.
Yeah.
But this one doesn't make sense.
Does not make sense at all.
And
Oh well.
door will go like this. Sometimes door might go like this. What can we do about it? It sometimes go like that.
Yeah, this wind is about as windy as this is now. We were frustrated and disheartened, and we didn't know how to take all the glass off, because the main part came off and left us with small pieces where the bonding was. For this reason, we rang around and we got in contact with Carglass UK, who charged £60 to refit the window. It was a real bargain, because we wouldn't have been able to do this ourselves. After our strange dealings with the glass, we've got storm blowing in now, so it is going to be windy. We've got the so good timing really. We've got the glass replaced and repaired. So what I did was I went on to van-pimps and I ordered the glass on the Sunday and put into the comments that I needed as soon as possible because it had exploded randomly. And they sent it out, and I got it next day delivery on Tuesday. Obviously Sunday not being a working day. So I'm quite happy with that.
They refunded us.
Yeah. And then after that I contacted them and explained what happened. What happened was the door was like this and it blew around to the edge of the van,
Yeah.
to hit this angle, but it wasn't very windy. So it's today seems to be windier, much windier actually. So it was only a light breeze that knocked it around, and the glass just exploded. So what we've done now to stop that happening, and it's also going to stop the van doors from going onto any other cars or anything, so we don't need the doors to open that far, is we've just used some, these are the tie downs that you use for roof racks. So just for tying things down onto a roof rack. But we had some spares, if you can see those. So we just chopped one of those, and we've drilled into the metal on the door here 2 screws and 2 metal screws here with it doubled over on that part. Left a little bit here. That might come in useful for attaching something. Please ignore all the blood bits on the back of the van after the glass. We've done the same on this side as well, just to make sure that the doors can't open any further than this, because we don't want them to open further than that.
No, don't go anymore. See?
So we can now open the doors and not worry about it in the future, because we don't know what caused it. It could happen again. Not sure if the door touched the side or if the door flexed or what it was, but something happened and it just went off like a bomb. So, yeah, if you do know the cause or what happened, please can you leave a comment and let us know what happened, really, because I'm a bit miffed. The car glass man who professionally fitted it for us, he charged us £60. We got a refund on the window from van-pimps, which was good of them, on the second window we bought. So they sent out the second window free of charge, and that means that we're only £60 down on the getting the window fitted by the professional. But now that's been professionally fitted, and hopefully nice and dry now. We're trying to grow our channel at the moment, and we're very small, and we'd really appreciate if you could help us out with the YouTube algorithm to like and subscribe, thumbs up.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Buy me a coffee, buy me a bottle of wine, buy me a new van, anything, but thumbs up at least.